Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix the iPhone call sound problem. So guys, if you're using any iPhone model and when you have received any phone call and facing the sound problem on your iPhone or low sound problem, I'll help you how to increase your iPhone call sound. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it below. First of all guys, you need to increase this volume tab, and guys after this you need to go back. So guys, after doing this you have to scroll it below, and guys you will see here is the option of accessibility. You need to click on accessibility tab, and guys after doing this you need to scroll it down. So guys, when you have scroll it down, here you can see the option of hearing devices. So guys, you have to click on this one, and guys here is the option of hearing add capability. So guys, if it is turned on, simply you have to make it off, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, now you will see here is the option of audio and visual. So guys, simply you have to click on this one, and guys now you can see here is the option of phone noise cancellation. So guys, if it is on, you have to make it off, and guys after doing this you have to go back. So guys, after going to back, simply you need to go back, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is dust on your iPhone speaker. So guys, simply you need to clean your speaker, and guys after this your sound quality will be improved. So guys, after doing all the settings, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is problem on your iOS version. So guys, simply you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, and guys you need to click on software update and check for update. So guys, if you will find any kind of update here, simply you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.